I'm really happy with this. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that difference, Dan. You know, and the great thing is, look at this wand. Look how much longer this is now. We've added a 15-inch wand extension.
Us short guys love that.
Yeah, short guys love it, even
Yeah.
tall guys. But what it means is you can reach up high.
Sure.
You can also adjust the nozzle so you have a pencil point for up high to get those screens, those cobwebs, those spider webs. But you know the best part? It keeps the overspray away from you.
Yeah.
So, you know, you don't have to worry if you're cleaning in a confined area. Instead of the spray coming back at you, you're further away
and here
from
we
it.
can get right over these bushes. Let's go
You
on.
can
You
get
want
right
to
over the
get in there?
bushes.
I'll have you do all the work. It's not really too much work, is it?
No, it's nice, it's lightweight. You know, we're doing this, Dan, with no chemicals. This is just with the pressure of the water.
Yeah, that's true.
And so anybody can do this. You don't have to worry about renting a unit or borrowing one from somebody else. But look at this. You can take this, go to a pencil gun, and look, you can go all the way up right through that.
I'm feeling guilty. I should do a little bit of work here. Yeah. And it is kind of fun, isn't it?
It is. Once you start cleaning, you see that difference, just like that. And you know what else is good for?
What's that?
If you're doing things at ground level, with this longer wand, you don't have to sweep over. So you can do it erect. Or maybe someone who's really tall, you know, doesn't have to bend over to do that sidewalk or patio pavers, any of that area. And, you know, look at that, just like the edge, you're moving, you know, I don't know, how many years has it been since you had the sidewalk?
I think it's been 3.
3 years. And, you know, it's just so typical, you know, of on the north side.
Yeah, this is my north side. I don't get much.
The mold, the mildew, growing.
Well, John, I'm going to go to work. If you can just finish the whole house.
All right.
Okay. Thanks, buddy.
I'll be done in 20 minutes.
Okay.
Have the cup of coffee ready.